What's the matter? Are you hungry, babies? Oh, babies, we're gonna feed you. No.
Good morning, everyone. So we are up and at it early this morning, getting ready to head up to Saranac Lake, and it's going to be just a little 3-night trip that we're going up there. We're going to meet up with Sarah's sister and her boyfriend, and we're just going to hang out, do some hiking, have some fun. Got a little bit of a late start. It's a little after 7 this morning. A snowstorm did kind of blow in last night, and it's still kind of going on out there. So we're going to have to drive for a couple of hours to get on the other side of that snowstorm. But once we get on the other side of that, we'll be free and clear, no issues. Roughly a 6-hour drive to get up there. So looking to get there around 1 o'clock or so, depending on if we stop for lunch or for coffee or anything like that. Once we get on the other side of the snow, we'll be able to
stop for coffee.
Once we get on the other side of this snowstorm, we'll definitely be able to pick up the pace a little bit, of course. But we will have to go a little bit slow until we get through it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on the road.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with
We made it to Watertown. We're stopping to refuel with some coffee and
Pastries?
pastries and delicious.
They have impossible breakfast sandwiches here. Pretty cool.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get you started with today?
my love and see where this road will.
At end of the road, turn right onto Stateway Plaza.
We have to turn right. We're back on the road, guys, and I'm trying
pistachio
latte. I've never tried it before. It smells good, and it's in a pretty little cup.
Take the next left onto RT3, Arsenal Street.
It kind of actually just tastes like a vanilla latte, but it's good.
They just say there's pistachio in there so they can charge you more.
Maybe. I don't know. Having a hard time filming because I have one hand on the gimbal and one hand on my coffee, but it is so snowy out. So we started off fine in Springville. It wasn't really snowing at all. Then we got to Buffalo and it was a blizzard, and we were going like 20 miles an hour for about an hour. And then it was fine, and then we made it about 3 hours in, and we're in Watertown, and it got really, really bad again. So we're hoping that the rest of the way to Saranac is not too bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have 2 hours and 42 minutes left.
Depending on how many blizzards we hit, supposedly 2 hours and 40 minutes left.
I've never been known for my cautious side. I know the wind that I stir is a gale. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where it goes.
Hello guys, we made it to our hotel room and now we are about to venture out to go get something to eat for a very early dinner.
Well, we'll probably go look at the shop first. And
Yeah,
then
there's some shops.
walk
There's a
around
store
from-
in our hotel. This is like a really old building. It's pretty cool.
I think there's a bunch of stores like in the bottom level.
Yeah, we're gonna go
So.
explore them. Then we're gonna go for pizza.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
I have no idea how this is gonna taste.
What are you doing, Sarah?
Making tea at the restaurant. We're at a bar. I got tea.
Drinking tea. I'm just having water.
And we got a margarita pizza and a vegan buffalo chicken pizza. So that should be really good.
For dessert they have something called the Mount Marcy mud pie, or is it the mud cake? Mud cake. Oh, that's loud. It's called the Mount Mercy mud cake. We're gonna try that for dessert.
I feel very awkward in here with the camera, filming myself eating.
Everything okay?
Really good, thank you.
It was very awkward.
Sorry.
Can I come in? Jesus Christ.
Don't swear. That's not good. It was pretty much a. This is the luxurious pillow that comes with the room. We're doing a room tour. This is our room. That's the luxurious pillow that comes with the room. And
This
that's
is
the
our
bed that it
room.
goes on. Yeah, this tiny little room.
It's a bit small. This is the deluxe king room. It's a bit smaller than our room in Toronto, but this place is really cool because it's like it's a very old building, so it has like, what are you doing? It has like little quirks to it.
And
the
in our
closet.
closets, we have our coats hanging up, but we
The
have
best
two
thing.
robes.
They gave us two robes. When we were at the Toronto Hilton, we only got one robe.
Yeah, to share between the two of us. It was very tight to fit both of us in there at once.
Oh my gosh.
This is our bathroom.
This is
It's
our
small.
mini bathroom.
Yeah, it's pretty tiny.
We got a cute little sink and a
Yeah.
tiny little shower.
Yeah, this little shower. It's
I
like
mean,
it's
actually,
okay.
it's just very
like,
narrow. I think it's
narrow.
just the shape. But look at this. Did you see? They have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash attached to the wall for us.
Wow.
It's not even like those little mini things that you can steal.
Well, I mean, we could definitely steal these too. We just don't screw them.
You have a toilet.
And they give you a special towel for taking off your makeup.
We got a bed.
Yeah, and then this is our desk.
We have a desk, yes.
I'm gonna do desk-like things here,
Desk-like things.
like working.
What are you gonna work on?
I don't know, but I'll find out.
There's this poster, which I really like. It says Saranac Lake.
Yeah, we're gonna take that too.
We're gonna take that too. The windows are very nice and homey. They're like actual real windows, like that would be in a house. Very nice. Very nice windows.
All right, that was the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it.
Catch on the flip side in the
Yeah.
morning, maybe, or later today. I don't know what's
Maybe
happening.
tonight before bed, probably.
It's only 6:30. We're already
Yeah,
back at the hotel.
I know, we're at the hotel ready for bed. We're old people now. That's true.
Geriatrics.
Yeah.
We are about to go get breakfast. It is like 9 o'clock or something. And we found out that we get like $24 credit towards food each day at the hotel. So we can get we could afford breakfast.
We were gonna go to the store and buy stuff for breakfast, like yogurt and granola and all that. But yeah, they do a credit for each person, $12 per person per day. So for us, we'll get $24 for each morning. And the breakfast here is like
It's so expensive.
$13 to $16 per person. So we'll end up, I mean, it's not that expensive. We'll
No,
end up
it's
paying
not.
like $5-6 or something.
I think just Saranac and like Lake Placid are expensive in general for food. So.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I mean, of course.
But yeah, it looks nice. So now we can eat in the restaurant and have a nice breakfast. And then I think we're gonna go check out some hiking trails. Maybe do some, what is it called? Snowshoeing. Okay.
I'm so white.
I am so.
Look at me.
I mean,
You look darker than me. Like, you look like you're tan right now. And I feel like I look really white. Like, look at me. Don't I look super white?
Yeah, you do. On the camera, you do. You kind of look like pink.
In real life?
No, in the
Oh.
camera.
All right, let's go get breakfast.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. Goodbye.
This is Lake Flower. Spelled like a flower. Guys, we made it to the top of Mount Baker, and it's not a big mountain by any means, but I definitely overestimated my athletic abilities because it was really difficult for me to climb up. Andrew, you powered through it. Like you.
I died at the top.
Andrew died at the top, which
You can,
I'm sure we have.
You can
footage
share a
of.
picture right here of me being dead on top of the
Andrew was
mountain.
dead at the top, but it was so hard, and we're dressed. We have so many layers on. I was like walking like
Like a
in slow
penguin or
motion
something?
the whole way up. It was really hard, and I kept taking lots of breaks and falling on my face. But we made it to the top, and the view is so beautiful. You can see all these bigger mountains in the distance.
Not the best view,
There's
but
more
it's still a
views.
nice view.
If we go that way, there's another lookout spot, but
Yeah.
definitely need to work on my athleticism. Need to go to the gym more or something. I don't know. I didn't think I was that out of shape, but apparently I am. So let's go. Let's commence our descent.
It's a Sarah in her natural environment.
Isn't Andrew in his natural environment? I wish we were recording. I wish I was recording while Andrew was coming down to this spot, because he slid and fell on his butt, and he was like doing like ninja moves, like sliding like this, because he was holding the gimbal and he didn't want to fall on his face with the gimbal. So funny.
You're so mean.
Sorry.
You know, I bust my butt climbing up this mountain, getting shots with the GoPro, trying to be the good cameraman and everything, and
You're a
then
good
she just
cameraman.
laughs and makes fun of me the whole time. You know, I don't get paid enough for this.
He doesn't get paid at all.
That's the problem. I need to start getting paid.
guys, my hair is a bit treacherous from wearing a hat all day, but we tried to find a coffee shop. Whoops. We tried to find a coffee shop to go to warm up and have some coffee, and we couldn't find anything. The only coffee shop we came across was not open. So instead, we went to Aldi and bought a bunch of snacks, and we got free coffee in the hotel, and we came back to our room and we're gonna eat snacks and have coffee and just warm up for a while until my sister and her boyfriend get here, which I don't know when that will be because they left at like 2 o'clock and it's like 3 o'clock or 3:30 now.
3:11.
So it might take them a few more hours, but I'm gonna eat these. I got stuff to make sandwiches, and I got some granola bars and crackers. So I'm gonna enjoy this.